In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a WooCommerce product image in just 5 minutes. This skill is invaluable for anyone managing an e-commerce site on WordPress using WooCommerce, as visuals play a crucial part in the online shopping experience. Being able to update and manage your product images efficiently can significantly improve your site's user interface and ultimately your sales. So let's dive in. First things first, you need to navigate to your dashboard on WordPress. This is where the magic begins. Your WordPress dashboard is the control center for your website. It's where you can add new posts, pages, and of course products if you're running a WooCommerce store. Accessing the dashboard is straightforward. Simply log into your WordPress site and you'll be greeted by this hub of operations. Once you're in the dashboard, it's time to focus on your products. Look for the products option on the left-hand side menu. This is essentially your gateway to everything product related on your WooCommerce site. The products section is where all your items are listed, and it's from here that you can add new products or edit existing ones. Clicking on products will take you to a comprehensive list of all your items, providing you with a clear overview of what you're working with. Now, to the task at hand, managing the product image. Find the product whose image you want to view, replace, or remove. You might have a long list of products, but don't worry, you can use the search feature to quickly locate the specific item you need. Once you've found the product in question, hover over it. You'll see several options, including Edit. Clicking on Edit will open the product's individual page, where you can make various changes, including those to the product image. Product images are essential for showcasing what you're selling. A good image can be the difference between a sale and a pass. So, handling these images with care is key. On the products page, you'll immediately notice the product image box on the right side. Clicking on the image opens up the WordPress media library, where you can upload a new image or select an existing one that better fits your product. This library is a central repository for all the images and media files you've used or plan to use on your site, making it easy to organize and manage your visuals. If you're updating the image, simply choose or upload the new image and it will automatically replace the old one. Remember to click Update on the product page to save your changes. If your aim is to remove the product image, you can do so by clicking on the Remove Product Image option in the image box. This will delete the current image, allowing you to add a new one or leave the product without an image, though I'd strongly advise having one for every product. It's crucial to ensure that your product images are high quality and accurately represent the product. This not only helps in attracting customers, but also in reducing the rate of returns due to mismatched expectations. Moreover, always ensure that your images are optimized for the web to maintain fast loading times on your site, enhancing the user experience. And there you have it, a straightforward, step-by-step guide on how to manage WooCommerce product images directly from your WordPress dashboard. Remember, the quality of your product images can significantly impact your store's performance, so investing the time to get them right is well worth the effort. Whether you're refreshing your store's look or updating your product catalog, mastering the process of managing product images is a skill every WooCommerce store owner should have. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your e-commerce site effectively. Should you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy selling!